Hello, I'm James, amateur radio call sign WA7JNJ, and this channel is about learning and exploring, and one aspect of exploring is getting to the mountain trailhead or exploring roads. Late last summer, I picked up a used Rav4 to replace my Corolla and my larger SUV that left me stranded up a mountain road last summer. So this is kind of in between there, and will get me to most places that I need to go with all-wheel drive and good mileage. One of the things I really wanted to get was a skid plate. I know someone who had a Rav4 and scraped their oil pan and got stranded up a mountain road. And so this is really one of the first upgrades that I'm doing to the vehicle. And it's the LP Adventure skid plate. It's aluminum and supposed to be a pretty easy install. So I'm going to try that today over here at my parents' house and get it set up. Again, the hardest part of it should be taking off the driver's side tire in the middle. And then there's just 4 bolts to put it together. So it should be pretty straightforward, but looking forward to get this done before we start some of the summer adventures and again to trailheads this summer. So let's check it out, get the instructions out, and get this thing installed.
Maybe used to hear more. Okay, that's good.
All right, my dad had some blocks, so we drove up the vehicle on some blocks to get a little bit more height. And he's got an old jack here that will jack it up here in a few minutes once I get the underside off, and then get some blocks to make sure it's safe. I just unwrapped the skid plate and pulled out the parts, and so got all the screws and brackets and bolts and everything that we need. There's a few stickers and then also another keychain or something there that's kind of cool. So anyway, getting it unwrapped and getting ready. So let's try and figure this out.
Need a towel or anything? Put your head on.
No.
Or a pillow. Is that working for you?
Yeah. That was smooth. Okay, I got those 1, 2, 3. Those came off. Of course, the trick is to do the screw head in the middle and pull it down, then it pulls out easily versus popping it off like I did. And then there's 2 screws up top here. Alright, my short little socket did not work for these front 2 screws. 10-meter bolts here, so hopefully that'll get out. Gosh. there's that one. Make sure it's out of there. Oh, and that's that one. All right. So that is off.
Sure like it.
Yeah. I'm glad it works. I'm sure it would. Do you have a smaller?
A smaller screwdriver?
Yeah. I think I got it. Yeah. Here's a two. When I'll figure out the spot, put the bolt in. If you can put that on top.
Yeah.
I gotta figure it out, kind of where it's gonna go here. I think it's gonna be right here.
Somewhere right.
I think it's gonna go up right through there.
Okay, that goes up there. Where? Okay, I guess that will work. Yeah. Well, I got it started, I guess. Yeah.
Is it in holding it? Is it holding it?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was 17. Okay, I got a wrench on it.
Okay.
Help hold it.
Okay.
Okay. I got a wrench on the top here.
Okay. There it is. Is it tightening?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
You got a nut and washer. Okay, it started.
So at least it'll hold it up there.
Yeah.
Okay. So that worked? Are you able to tighten it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so it's in there?
Yeah, it's in.
But like you said, I don't know how you get to it without taking off the cover.
Well, if you just reached up there, took those two bolts out of there to get rid of that flap, or is there
You got, yeah, I mean, I think you got to take it off.
Well, I almost kind of think so, yeah.
Okay, that should work now, right?
Yeah, I think so. Let's see what comes up. Okay, I guess that's it right there, but is that shoved up?
Yeah, it's shoved up. Now it's all the way. You got it?
Don't let it come down any. Okay. Okay, I got it.
Okay.
I probably need to put that wrench on it. Okay, it's
Woo!
okay, that.
Okay.
Well, that one is
That one's tight.
tight the back. Okay, the back.
This one, yeah. And then I'll tighten that one in just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's probably good.
That's good there.
And then this, let's see this
Just a
one.
little dab more.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm on it.
Okay. I think that's pretty good. So at least there's enough for the oil drain and the oil filter. Gosh. How are you supposed to get that in? Oh. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, you gotta be smarter.
You need to kind of pry something.
I gotta pull it out and then pop it in. I gotta be smarter than that. Okay, there we go. That was easy, yeah. Alright, we're ready to put the tire on.
Well, glad to be done here installing it. It took longer than I thought, but glad to be at my parents' house and have my dad's help for an extra set of hands and some of his tools. Again, the tools that I used were what it said, but I also needed a 17 millimeter socket or a wrench in order to be the back part of the bolts. So that was something new. And then the only other thing that wasn't per the original instructions is on the passenger side, I needed to take off that little plastic plate and the front part behind the tire in order to get that front bolt in. So besides that, it kind of went per the instructions on the website, and overall pretty straightforward, but glad to have it on. Glad to have a little bit more protection as I'm going through the summer adventures with the Rav4. So thanks again for watching. Hope this might help you as you're looking at something like the LP Adventure or looking at the LP Adventure to get yourself. Again, one of my first upgrades for this Rav4, and really glad I did. So thanks again for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. That would be helpful. And if you want to see some other adventures around the Pacific Northwest, up to various summits and parks and playing radio. Thanks again. 73, which is just best regards from WA7 J&J.